All right, we'll get started while Brent is doing some photos underneath. This is our Volvo 480 Turbo limited edition. We had it dry ice cleaned about 2 years ago, and then we did the shocks, the struts, we did some bushings, bump stops. Looks like I'd have to pull the receipts there, all up there and posted. The car is real clean underneath. We've done about 1,400 road miles since the dry ice cleaning, and we've not gotten under here and cleaned it again. So it stayed in good shape. It stays in climate controlled storage. At our building, we use it as a commuter to go probably about a 3-hour road trip up to Asheville, North Carolina. So let me get to the outside here. The only thing really showing some corrosion is the wheels, and it doesn't match the rest of the car. Get the outside here. I actually put in this outdoor lift so we can clean undercarriages, do some dry ice cleaning. We have a hot seat, so hot pressure washer. Clean. The porta potties behind us were here from our last event. The company doesn't seem to be able to pick them up. Yeah, you can see it on the wheels here. I didn't want to switch them out since I believe they're factory, and didn't want to clean them up. I was going to leave that for the next person who owns the car, decide what they want to do with it. So I just drove it this morning. Brent, you've driven it. What do you think of it?
Fantastic car to drive.
Yeah, it's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fun, it's quick, nimble. Relatively sure-footed. I like it.
This is just its rubberized coating. That's factory. We didn't have anything coated. We just had it cleaned, 2 years ago before it departed from Europe. It looks like somebody's done from cap back at some point. And there's a beautiful muffler. Okay. Sorry, I'm looking at things instead of paying attention to filming here. Let me get to the outside.
Nowhere to stick a magnetic dealer plate to.
No. All right, so if anyone has any questions, go ahead and give us a call. It's Car Cave, Aiken, South Carolina.